Hi everyone, this is Kent. Today I'm gonna share with you on how I managed to get my Pochette Metis when I was in Paris. So if you're interested, just keep watching this video. I try to get this bag very long, but it's so hard to get even in Singapore and Malaysia because they will just tell you that you gotta wait for months. Months. So I just couldn't get my hands on this bag. So before Paris, I was in Barcelona. Yes, Barcelona, I got no luck as well. But in Paris, I got it. So where and how I get it, I'm gonna share with you. If you happen to be there, I hope this will work for you because it worked for me. So what happened is on day one, day two, I didn't go to the flagship store. I went to Galeries Lafayette. I'm not too sure if that's how you pronounce it. They do not have any deliveries of this baby. You know, maybe even they could be reserved to other people. But in the flagship store, I don't know, it's different. I got it. So what happened is I got to the store before they even opened. Sounds crazy, right? Yes. They open at 10 a.m. I got there at 9:50 and it's already long queue. I'm not trying to make it crazy, but it is. It's already long queue outside the store. So when I got there, I just tell them that I want a Pochette Metis. Do you have it? They say yes, they have it. So they're just gonna get it from me. And of course, I'm getting a few items I can share with you in my next video. But this video, I'm just gonna share with you how you got it. If you really want to get this bag, just go to the flagship store because they have more deliveries. So there you go. They have more deliveries in the flagship store. And you gotta go early in the morning to queue if you really want this bag because they told me that because the store is bigger, so they get more deliveries to them. All right, so the one that I got is made in Italy. They actually got me the one that is made in France, but when they get it back to me, there's no sticker over there, and I can see kind of like a fingerprints, which I don't quite like it. You know, I want it like the brand new. And then when I open it inside, I kind of like feel here is kind of like not very well made. So I asked, do they have another one that is made in France? They say no. So instead of that, I got the one that in Italy. The other stock, this Italy, they have it in stock. And I check, it seems good as well. And here's the strap that I have. I just want to show you how it looks close up. Okay. The top and the part. So here is it. If you really want to score this Pochette Metis, just go to the flagship store early in the morning. I'm not too sure when they have the deliveries, but I went on Thursday. Day 1, day 2 is Galeries Lafayette, which is Tuesday, Wednesday, and day 3, which is Thursday. I went there and I got it. And there are a few other items that I got. If you're interested, do subscribe. I will try to share. And if you don't mind this sharing, just, you know, let me know because it's my first video. A little bit shy, but just want to share with you for those who really wanted this. I really hope you guys can get it because I got my hands on it. My friends want me to get another piece, but I couldn't because they told me that because I got quite a few popular bags, so they wouldn't sell it to me. And another thing is, per passport, I'm not too sure why they have this rule for the tourists. Per passport, you only can get 2 bags and 1 small leather goods, but I got more than that. I guess they have to review your account to see what else do you get in the past, but maybe for me, I don't really get a lot of Louis Vuitton items, so I managed to get most of the items that I wanted. And also, I just want to share with you another story is there's another lady that was just right beside me. There's this SA just walked to her and say that, sorry ma'am, you bought too many bags this year, so we cannot sell the bag for you. So I think is they don't allow the same passport to purchase the same bag, I guess. I'm not too sure. Maybe in a year they go by per year, if I'm not mistaken. So I really wish all the best for you. For those who want to get this Pochette Metis, just go to the flagship store early in the morning to get it. And remember, only per passport can own a Pochette Metis as a tourist. And I wish you all the best. Bye guys.